So, rushing through the yard here, going down. Slowed down a lot. It's washing in from the road. You can kind of see coming right down through there. Moving fucking quick. But problem is pieces of the road going. This whole fucking thing going right into our yard. Fucking stream. All the way from up here. Washed all shit in front of the ears. But this whole thing is like rotted away. It's all eroded. Gonna have to do something here. Try and keep it from dumping. I mean, thousands of gallons. Woo-hoo-hoo. Shush! Almost shit my pants. God damn. Fucking insane, the amount of water. Pouring, that's all from the road too. Pouring straight through there, coming right down. And just washing everything out. All the shit at the end of the driveway there. Crazy.